To download apps from external sources on the Samsung Galaxy A26 5G, first of all, just start from opening your browser. In my case, I'm gonna use Google Chrome, and you have to input the name of your application. So you have to basically download APK files, and I'm gonna do this with the Huawei AI Live application. Just find the website where it is available. In the search bar, you have to input phrase like the name of your application and then APK file download phrases, and simply try to find the installation button. It's actually quite simple. Now I have to wait for another page, and in this place I will have to select install button, and after a few moments we should get this option. So I'm gonna select to download via browser. I don't want to download any different applications. Here we can find this notification that file might be harmful, but of course we want to download it anyway. You have to remember that you are doing this on your own risk, and by clicking on the details you can actually follow this downloading process. So now all you have to do after the download will be finished, you have to just click on it like that. Click on the settings icon of the Google Chrome and allow permission to install unknown apps. Then click install, and now as you can see we get this unknown app blocked. And to remove it we have to go into the settings, click on the search and input this phrase blocker, and we have to go into auto blocker, into security and privacy, and we have to switch this off to be able to install apps from the unknown sources. Now go back into your file and you have to basically repeat, and right now you will be able to actually download this. And if you find it useful, please hit the like button. By the way, if you got this information unsafe app blocked, select more details and tap to install anyway, and after inputting your password, you will be able to go forward. Thanks for watching.